Capturing the rugged beauty of West Texas requires two things: patience and a willingness to chase the light. We kicked off our workshop in the Big Bend Ranch State Park, greeted by a classic dramatic desert sunset. But as night sky photographers, sunset is just the pre-show. The real work begins at blue hour. Here, the next evening, we lock down our compositions, capturing clean, low-noise twilight exposures for our foregrounds. That's the crucial foundation for the night ahead. The magic of the night happens in the dark, but the imagery really comes to life the next day. Here's the crew working hard during our processing session, blending those twilight foregrounds with our Milky Way exposures. This night brought us deep into Big Bend National Park, setting up with the dramatic backdrop of Cerro Castellon, waiting for that perfect gradient of evening dusk, just before the stars take over. Swapping stories and winding down during breakfast on the veranda at the Lajitas Resort was the perfect way to unwind. Sleep is optional on these trips, and waking up early rewarded us with an incredible, fiery desert sunrise to add a whole different mood to our portfolios. We wrapped up our journey doing what we do best, chasing one final dusk foreground. To an incredible group of photographers, thank you for sharing the desert and the stars with me. Until next time.